Hi, boys and girls. We're working on comparing fractions this week, and I wanted to show you how these work on a number line. It is getting a little confusing, and I know that, and it's okay. It's something for you to experiment with, and you don't have to worry about it, but just to keep trying it and trying to make sense of it, because it's some good stuff for fourth grade. Take a look at this screen that I'm sharing with you and watch my mouse. Remember, we talked about if we were an ant walking along, we have to count each section, not each line. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 sections. So on this line, we're trying to find where 2/6 is, or 2 of the 6 sections. We're going to put a dot there. And then on the next line, I'm looking for where is 5/6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 6 parts. So I'm going to take a dot and I'm going to put it there. Okay. Once I've done that, now I'm looking to see which one is more. And I want you to think about if you were an ant walking along this number line. Did you walk further when you went 2/6, or did you walk further when you went 5/6? We can see that we walked further when you went 5/6. So over here, you're going to have to click the little question mark, and it gives you the directions on the bottom of the slide. You can hit backspace to get rid of the question mark, and then you need to use the little alligator, and that is going to be down on your keyboard, down by the letter M. You'll see it right next to it. You have to hit your shift button to boop, get your greater than and less than. So 5/6 is more than 2/6. You're going to do the same thing with this one. The other slides are the same way. You're finding the places with the dots and comparing them. Now this one's a little different because you'll see that the denominators are different. So you have to pay attention to this one. This top one is in 6 parts and this bottom one is in 4 parts. But it's the same idea. How far along did the ant walk? That's something we would have really worked on this year if we were together. So this is something to experiment with, that we can see that even when there's different denominators, we can still see which one is more. You're doing the same thing with that. And here as well. And on this last one, this is the hardest one, and give it a try. If it's really confusing for you, it's okay, but give it a try. Look at this first one. The dots are already there. I have to figure out where this dot is. So I'm going to remember my ant, and I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this one is in 4 parts. So I'm going to change my question mark again. I'm going to put that. I know that this number line is broken into 4 parts, and my ant only walked to the first one. So 1 of the 4 parts. And then the second line, I got to count it again because it's not the same. I can see that they're different. There's more tick marks in this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number line is partitioned into 6 equal parts. So I'll have to change that. My denominator is 6 parts, and my little orange dot is again at 1. And which one did I walk further? If I was an ant walking along, I walked further. Oh, it doesn't look like I have a spot that I can do this. Oh, there it is. Sorry, it's down here. So now we have to drag these little guys here. And if I was an ant walking along here, I would have walked further if I walked one of the 4 equal parts than one of the 6 equal parts. Because remember, the more parts, the smaller. That when the denominator is a bigger number, it's smaller sections, there's more parts. All right, I hope that helps. Do a great job.